Welcome to this demonstration of the powerful S-curve functionality in our Power BI report, achieved by integrating Asta PowerProject with Microsoft Fabric. The S-curve page provides comprehensive insights into your project's progress and performance against the planned baseline schedule. This tool is essential for construction project leaders aiming to monitor and control their projects effectively. Our S-curve is constructed using the activity day count method. It compares earned progress, shown by the solid yellow line, against the planned baseline, depicted by the solid white line. Additionally, we provide a planned ALAP curve, indicated by the white dashed line, which shows activity progress in its as late as possible position. This helps to visualize float and creates what is known as a banana curve. The highlighted area between the planned and planned ALAP curves essentially shows the tolerance for potential delay. In this particular example, the earned progress is tracking ahead of the planned, so this tolerance is not of concern at this point. The yellow dashed line represents the earned forecast until the end of the project. A vertical reference line indicates the report date, offering a clear point of reference. At the top of the dashboard, we have several key indicators. Progress captured to. The date until activity progress has been recorded. Effective progress date. The date by which the current earned progress should have been achieved. Schedule variance. The difference between these dates indicates how far ahead or behind the program the project currently is, based on the activity day count method. Earned. The number of activity days earned until the progress date. Planned. The number of activity days that were planned to be achieved by the same date. Total. The total number of planned activity days up until the end of the project. One of the standout features of our S-curve functionality is the ability to produce an S-curve for any combination of code library or program path filter selections. We believe this functionality is unrivaled. Let's see it in action with a couple of examples. First of all, we have the ability to filter the S-curve by the code library. This is dynamic to reflect how the planner has set up the code library in their schedule. This does not require any standardized template. If we select a trade code here, for example, cladding, we can now see how the S-curve and other visuals update to reflect only those cladding activities in the program. Cladding is 3 days ahead of program, whereas if we select mechanical and electrical, we can see that it's 18 days ahead of the program. There is also the ability to search for codes. Let's use groundworker as an example. Next, we have the ability to filter by the program path. This essentially reflects how the planner has built up the program and how it's organized in a hierarchical structure. Quite often, this allows us to filter the S-curve on locations or different parts of a building, which may or may not have been identified using the code library. In this example, let's select Complete Block B. You can see that the S-curve and other charts are now specific to those activities required to complete Block B. Our functionality allows you to select any combination of code library or path. So if we keep Complete Block B selected and hold down Control on our keyboard, we can now go and select one of our codes. Let's select Suspended Ceilings. Now, we have a very specific S-curve for suspended ceilings in Block B only, and can see that we are behind program here. If we expand complete block B and unselect first floor, while still holding control, we narrow down the results to suspended ceilings on the ground floor of block B. In addition to the S-curve, we have several other valuable graphs. Starts. This graph compares the number of activities that have actually started versus what was planned in the baseline. Finishes. Similarly, this graph compares actual versus planned finishes. Work in progress, or WIP. This shows the number of started but incomplete activities in progress at any moment in time. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the S-curve functionality in Power BI. For more information or to see a live demo, contact us at info@acumind.com.